and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the end of month flip of my Louis Vuitton small ring agenda or PM agenda, and I have made a lot of changes in here, and I also kind of want to share thoughts on this size as well. So let's just jump right into it. So I do take this with me everywhere. This is my on the go agenda, and that's just because it's the perfect size. So I have stickers on the side, it's a plan. And I moved daily inserts in here just so that I could plan on the go. However, I don't like the size. So I will be removing the daily inserts from this planner next month, but I did want to show y'all these. I've been debating whether or not to just keep them in here just in case I need them, but I do think I'm going to remove them, to be honest. So this is just probably going to be more of an overview planner that I can go and reference. And then I'm also thinking about adding travel inserts in here. If you saw my medium ring agenda video, I'm debating whether or not to get them for this planner or this planner. I feel like it makes more sense to put it in my on the go planner so I can take the travel inserts with me, but I'm just concerned about the size. So I don't know, we'll see, and of course I'll update y'all. But up front we have this dashboard from Salty 22, an yearly overview, vellum from Infinite Lotus, another dashboard from Salty 22, and then we have my inbox, and behind the inbox is where I put the order tracker so I don't have to keep moving it in between months. It was actually getting a little annoying even though I do it once a month, so I'm just going to keep it behind my inbox. And then I have some note inserts behind here just so I can write anything down that I need to write down. Behind the first tab is everything for September. So I've organized this so that it's September, October, and November. And in this video, I'm going to switch it up and kind of restructure it for October so y'all can see what I plan to do. And then the next end of month flip video, y'all will see if I stick with it or if it worked. So I did it by month just to make it, I feel like, easier to navigate to whatever I need to navigate to, whether I'm planning for this month or the next month. But I think I'm going to go back by category when I redo this. So I use these inserts from Infinite Lotus, and they are a month on 2-page, and this just has an overview. I just added some fun stickers. There's an overview, like structured insert on the back of the months, and this is where I primarily go to write anything down. If something pops up while I'm on the go, I'll write what's going on the important dates, and then when I get home I'll add a sticker later. I did get asked that, like, how do I like plan or add stickers, since I only use stickers in here. So that's what I do. I'll just write it on here and then add the sticker later on once I'm near the stickers. I've been keeping my expenses in here just because I actually like having them in here. I like this size because I don't have that many expenses, luckily, and so I like the size of this, but it's also nice to reference on the go, especially if I like need to pay a bill while I'm out, or if I need to remember like what I have to pay if I want to like buy something. And yes, that happens a lot. It's a little inconvenient at times when I'm working on my, finances in this agenda, and I, have to pull this planner out as well to see like the list of expenses. But honestly, I'd rather have it in here. At least right now, I feel like it's working better. I'd rather just pull this out if needed. And then after that, we have these daily inserts. And so I've just been using these on days that I need them. And I thought I would use them more on the go, but I do not. And I have been on the go pretty frequently this month. I don't know if that'll change once we like start traveling more, or if I'm gone more, like next year when I go to residency. I think I might incorporate the daily plan inserts back in here so I can plan that out and then only take this. I just think with everything that I'm using in my planner system, I don't need these. It's just another step, and so I kind of was forcing myself to use these this month. I did pre-plan like a few days, and then I just didn't end up using it. So I do have some months filled or days filled out, but I'm going to take these out, and then we're just going to keep the monthly views in here, expenses, and I guess the order tracker for now. And then I do think I'm going to put the travel inserts in here now that I've been thinking about it and talking about it in these videos. This is ultimately where I decide a lot of things on camera, is in these videos, because as I say things out loud and explain them to you, it starts making more sense in my head, and that's when I generally make decisions. So these videos also help me, guys. But yeah, that's everything in here. And then I just have the October inserts and expenses, and then November, and then expenses. And so let's move things around. And I know I generally don't do these in the flip videos, but I knew this was going to be so short that I figured I might as well just reset it up with you guys on camera. So we're going to keep these inserts up front. So I did get asked about layering, and so I like having these combined because then I can't see what's in the back, and because this is on the go, and also just for like aesthetic purposes, I like that you don't see what's behind these inserts. So I always keep these up front in all of my planners. I think I'll move the inbox. This is where I debate what to do, because sometimes I want to keep my inbox up front, sometimes I don't. I think I'll just keep it up front. And I'm gonna move the note inserts behind here, and then we are gonna do the monthly inserts first. And I'm gonna take all of these out. And when I restructure this, when the travel inserts come in, I will of course show y'all. But I do think I'm gonna order the new ones from Cloth and Paper, and probably add them behind a tab and move the expenses back to the inbox. So we have September. Let's do October. And then November, and then I need to find where December is, and I can add these back in here. And then we'll do, I might have to move, I'm gonna move this to the back as a page lifter because I will need to write. And then I'm probably gonna move the inbox up front, and that's just to protect the inserts. I like to have something a little bit more firm up front and in the back. So generally kept this LT22 dashboard up front to help protect, but now I'll just use this dashboard from Cloth and Paper. But I don't like that. It'll be fine, I'll figure it out. I don't know why, I just really love this and how functional it is. So forget about the inserts, I'll put one in the back, or I'll probably order a page lifter somewhere and do that. So, or what I could do for now is I could use the last tab as a page lifter, and then just keep the expenses with the monthly view, and then the order tracker behind the second. So let me show you what I mean. Sorry, again, thinking out loud. So we're gonna keep the order tracker behind that one, use the last tab as a page lifter, and then we'll put the expenses with the monthly view. And that way it's also somewhat structured and organized too. So where'd those monthly inserts go? So we have October, November. I need to find December. And that was the original layout in this agenda when this was my finance planner. So I'm familiar with it. So now we have the monthly view, and then expenses for each month, the order tracker, and then when I order the travel inserts, I'll put them in here, and then I'll also order a page lifter so that way I can write. But for now, we'll just use this back tab as a page lifter. So that is the current setup and the previous setup for the month. And other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.